buckets already, and I went back to get some more at Menards. And the funny thing is, the shelf were empty, so there's other types of sealers there that were full all the way to the ceiling, but this particular one was gone already. So I was wondering how in the world. I thought I saw like 10 yesterday when I was buying. So they told me head out to another city called Blaine. Blaine have 2, and then Brooklyn Park has 8. So I decided to go to Blaine because Blaine is closer to me. So I went to Blaine, and there was nothing on the shelves except the other stuff, types of sealers. I was like, oh crap, man, and it was traffic, you know. So then I had to drive all the way to Brooklyn Park. I was told there was 8 there. When I got there, there was only 2 left on the shelf. I'm like, wow. So this particular one people must know it's good, because I see other sealers, they're full in the shelves, but this particular one is gone. You can't find anywhere in Coon Rapids, in Blaine, in Brooklyn Park. It's gone. So it tells us something. So this must be a really good brand. So this is the one right here. So if you get this one, it says 10X heavy duty advanced acrylic. This one is what you need. So with that, I'm going to continue the project. As you see, I'm almost done. It's almost this much left here, and then I need to hit a couple of spots, and then I think we should be done. So I have 2 new ones, so I will start with those, and we'll recap at the end. Project is finally completed. I'm glad it's done. It took 2 days to do this project, and I just wanted to finish the series of cover peel. Last time we did the front steps there. Now we did the driveway. So it turned out pretty good, especially filling in the cracks. I think that's what really popped this place, because doing those cracks, although it was tedious and really not difficult, but you know, time consuming and detailed and all these things, the more you get rid of the cracks, the better it looks now complete. It's almost like this thing was done afresh from scratch, you know. So all the holes, cracks, I don't see anything now. So everything is pretty good. This one is the 10-year warranty, so it will last about 10 years or so before it needs another recoat. I'm glad I remove all the cracks and dings and all these things, and it's done. 2 days. So this particular one dries for foot traffic in 1 hour, and then for the vehicles, for the cars, they wouldn't drive here for the next 48 hours, just to be sure. I'll actually do probably a little bit more than 48 hours just to make sure. everything is good. As you see, everything is great. I'm liking what I'm seeing. So we are done with this. So off to the next project. I'll be starting the other next project on the side of the house, landscaping and on all these things tomorrow. So look out for the next project. I'm excited for the next project, and that one I can't wait. So with that, thanks for watching, and try this and we won't regret. So see you later. Thanks so much for watching.